Hello everyone and welcome back to BTech. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful AI tool called CGDream, which lets you create ultra-realistic images, detailed sketches, and even 3D style models, all from simple text prompts. Yes, just by typing a description, you can generate stunning high-resolution images in seconds. The link to try it out is available in the video description. CGDream recently introduced some exciting new features, including Character Studio, Flux Model, and the latest upgrade, Flux Pro 1.1, designed for even higher quality and faster rendering. In this video, we'll focus on these features and see them in action. So once you click the link and sign up, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll find an image gallery filled with thousands of pre-made templates for inspiration. You can explore these or start creating your own right away. To create your own image, scroll down to the prompt bar. Simply enter your prompt. I've already written mine to generate a warrior girl and then hit the Generate button. Within seconds, CGDream will produce a high-quality image based on your prompt. The results are truly impressive. Want more control? You can fine-tune your image using filters like style, character type, environment, material, theme, and effects. For this demo, I selected the pixelated effect and again hit Generate. The AI quickly returned a pixel art version of my original image, all automatically done with one click. Now, let's talk about the settings on the right-hand panel. You can adjust aspect ratio 1:1, 2:3, 3:2, 9:16, or 16:9. Number of variations, model type, such as Flux Model or Juggernaut XL. For this test, I'm using the new Flux Pro 1.1 model. It offers improved quality, more speed, and HD to 8K image resolution. Once I selected the Flux Pro 1.1 model and hit Generate, I got this amazing output. Side by side, you can see the before and after. The detail and clarity in the new version are on another level. Now, let's generate another image using CGDream. This time, I'll type a different prompt and apply a new filter. After clicking the Generate button, here's the result. A stunning image of a beautiful girl holding a sword. Next, let's enhance the quality using the built-in AI upscale feature. Just click the 2x button and the image will be automatically upgraded to double the resolution. As you can see, the enhanced version looks even sharper and more detailed. On the left sidebar, you'll find more creative tools like style, structure, image-to-image, 3D model, and character generation. Today, let's explore the character feature, which is one of CGDream's latest and most exciting updates. To start, upload your reference image. In my case, it's this character image. Then, enter your prompt and hit the Generate button. And there you have it, a fully AI-generated character based on my input. Now, let's step it up by switching to the Flux Pro 1.1 model. With just one click, CGDream recreates the character in even higher detail. The results are amazing, vibrant, sharp, and highly realistic. Flux Pro 1.1 truly delivers impressive performance. Let's try another example. This time, I'm using a different face image and entering a new prompt. A girl wearing a seductive steampunk outfit. And here is the generated result. Unique, detailed, and visually striking. Finally, let's explore the 3D model feature. For example, I have this image of a car that I want to convert into a 3D model. Just click the 3D icon and CGDream will begin processing. In seconds, your flat image is transformed into a fully interactive 3D model that you can preview and rotate. How cool is that? All the tools and features are available through the link in the video description. CGDream is truly a one-stop solution for creating realistic images, characters, and even 3D models from simple text or photos. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.